time. You've come to do just a little bit of monitoring and encouragement for the matric pupils in KwaZulu-Natal. First of all, what's your message to them?
Well, basically, it was first and foremost to wish them well as they begin their examinations with the English Paper 1 today, but also to communicate a clear message that there is no substitute for hard work. They must continue to study more and spend most of their time with their books as well as in study groups. But we are also encouraging the parents as well as the community to support our learners throughout these examinations. We'll continue to monitor the progress of exams in the department. We're quite happy that our system seems to be rolling out quite nicely. We have been in touch with all districts across the province this morning. All papers that we have been delivered to schools, there are no disruptions so far, and we believe that we will continue with such a peaceful environment throughout the examinations.